Understanding affiliate marketing and how to make it work for you. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make extra money, part-time from home or even full-time. If you create interesting content, you will attract readers to your site, and through affiliate ads, you will generate profits. You should follow the tips and tricks in this video to help you create a successful affiliate site. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, make sure to check out the company's conversion rate. This is the proportion of site visitors that actually buy the product they're selling. A good site will have about a 1% conversion rate. A site with a low conversion rate isn't worth the effort you'll have to put out to direct traffic there. Once you have found techniques that work well, do not rely on them exclusively. You should always be on the lookout for new tools and new trends. You could broaden your audience or keep in touch with your customers, if the techniques you are currently using should become obsolete. Remember that everything becomes obsolete, sooner or later. Know the tracking processes that your affiliates use to track visitors from your website to theirs and on to successful sales. Make sure that these tracking procedures are robust and cover sales that get made offline. Inadequate customer tracking can cost you money in commissions that your affiliates rightly owe you for the sales that you generate. Affiliate marketing is not just for people who know how to build websites. If you can write well, know how to promote products in a fun, interesting way and like to make extra money, then affiliate marketing can help you when you really need it. All you need to do is get permission from the company that you are interested in to sell their product. If you are reviewing a product that you have not purchased, make sure that you always include examples of how it works. You always want to give screenshots of the product, other reviews from users, with permission, and other vital information about the product. As an affiliate, you should be really informed about any product you promote. As was mentioned before in this video, affiliate marketing is a great way to make profits. However, it takes time, effort, and dedication to truly make your site attractive to your readers and stand out amongst the millions of similar sites across the web. Follow these tips in this video to find success through affiliate marketing online. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.